Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is your boy Sniper Jones, and welcome back to another video. Today, I am super excited to bring y'all not only an unboxing. This is a sneaker sent over from Adidas today. Shout out to Adidas, man. They have been showing love for a long time now. That's actually started like sometime last year, and they gave me like so many dope pair of sneakers. If you guys have not seen those videos, make sure y'all go through and check them out. I'm excited. It's been a while since they sent me over something, and I know what it is. I just don't know the exact shoe, like the exact colorway, so I'm excited to open this up. If you guys don't know, man, I drop everyday content over here on the channel, so make sure you hit the subscribe button if you already haven't. On top of that, make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I'm dropping videos. And I started back going live. Check out the videos if you want to. I started back the weekly live cops. Just about every big sneaker release I go live for. And last but not least, my Instagram and Twitter is linked down below. Let's get into the video, man. I'm excited to open up this package. It's a big one. Oh, woo! This is a big, bro. This is a big one. I ain't gonna hold you. Now, they told me that this sneaker was a part of a collection coming out very soon. So I don't know exactly which one of the collection is inside this package, but I know y'all gonna love it. When they told me they were sending this over, I knew for a fact y'all was gonna love this shoe. So I'm just excited to be able to do this, man. Another video with Adidas. They showed me so much love over there, and I love everything they got. And it's two. Is it two pair of shoes in here? Or okay. Let me see. Let me see. I had a feeling it's gonna be something big. Okay. So we have a black nameless. It's nothing at all on here. It's just a random black box with nothing on it. So let's see what this is. Okay. Then we open it up and we got some more black. Okay. So we got some black paper over that, and then we open this up. Sheesh, man. Oh yeah, these are fire. Bro, what? It's like a black out. I've never even seen this shoe before. This is a human race? So is this a new human race? Oh my good. You see the boost underneath. Yo, bro, hold on. Let me grab the second one. On the tag here. Oh, snap. Hey, yo. All right, now, I told you guys, this is from the new Adidas Human Race Triple Black Pack. Okay, so this has to be like a new silhouette. I've never seen this silhouette before. If you guys have, let me know down below in the comment section. But this is crazy. It's coming with like a hang tag that has like the season. It has like the size in UK. I'm gonna show y'all the tag that it comes with. This is crazy. Let me get it right. This is crazy. So from the first sneaker we pulled out the box, we get the Adidas Human Race Triple Black 0 to 60. And I gotta say, I am very excited for the Human Race to come with another silhouette. It's been long overdue, man. I love the NMD, but the fact that they come on with us with something brand new, I'm so excited to talk about this one. Okay, so check out the outer sole. They did decide to keep the boost. You see the boost right there at the bottom, and you can see the boost in the outer sole too. Actually, it's on this side, I would say. So it's right here on the midsole of the shoe too. You see the boost, but man, this reminds me of like a Yeezy 500 high. I see a lot of different Adidas all in this one shoe. Now this toe box definitely reminds me of an Adidas Crazy Boost shoe. If y'all are not familiar with the Adidas Crazy Boost, it's a basketball sneaker. I actually used to hoop in this shoe like way back. I think it was like 2017 I was hooping in this shoe. If you guys haven't seen it before, I'll throw a picture up right here. But this toe box, the way it attaches over here to this side and comes back over, it definitely reminds me of one of those Crazy Boosts. And it's not the first time Pharrell came out with a hot top sneaker. I believe he came out with another hot top sneaker kind of similar to this. It was like multicolored. The pair I'm thinking about was black and it was multicolored. It was a little bit hot top and it looked like this. If you guys remember this shoe, I believe this was a basketball sneaker too. So this one is coming with the Adidas 3 stripes right over the top of the sneaker, and we get the Human Race right here on the strap. So as we take the strap off, you can see how the zipper goes from one end to the bottom of the sneaker. Let's unzip this so we can see. It's probably, yup, exactly. You see the hidden laces right up under the strap. This reminds me of like a winter fall shoe. Something that I definitely rock in the winter or fall easy. This one is different. This one is different and I'm excited to see it. You see the size tag right here on the tongue of the shoe. Has the Adidas logo right here on the tongue of the shoe as well. Go ahead and zoom in on that. And just as I thought, this entire 3 stripes that's over the laces, it's all 3M. So on both sneakers, this Adidas logo on the top, let me get these out the way, it's all 3M. This is fire, man. Hey, Adidas, keep killing it, keep innovating it. I'm super excited to have these, man. Let's get over to the next shoe. Let me see what's in this box right here, okay? So this one, size 12, and it has the human race box. So the boxes are a little bit different. The last box didn't have anything at all. Another all black to celebrate the tradition. And we have, woo! Here we go. The triple black Pharrell human race NMD. Now these are crazy. Triple black. But not only is this triple black, it looks like it's almost like a charcoal translucent side panel on the shoe, like this rubber cage unit material right here on the side. It's almost like a charcoal. You can kind of see through it. It's almost translucent, but it does have a little bit of dark texture to it, so you can kind of see it. One pair says thoughts, and this one says breathe. Super dope, man. It reminds me of the all black pair that had human race and Chinese that they sent over as well. Or was it Chinese or was it Korean? I forget which one, but yeah, it kind of looks like that one. Actually, I'm gonna go grab that one right now. True story, a lot of y'all know I have a girlfriend. I met my girlfriend in these sneakers. So the day I met her, I had these on. This is another pair. This is a triple black pair that came out earlier, and you see the human race right here on the toe box. It definitely reminds me of this pair. Obviously, the huge difference is the lettering on the front and also the laces. You do see like the black laces here and the white laces on this part, but had a little bit of remnants, if you will. But these are hard. Now this shoe, you already know how it goes. Okay, we got the prom knit upper, we got the rubber cage unit on the side, we have the laces, the rope laces, that's 3M right here on the front. Like I said, breathe on this one, thoughts on the other. As we check out the bottom, you already know it has the boost. The boost is something that I love. I mean, y'all already know when it comes to comfort, when it comes to style, I think Adidas has always done a great job at making shoes like the Yeezy, making shoes like the Adidas Pharrell Human Race NMD, because not only does it have that hype that we love, but it's also super comfortable. So whenever I'm at SneakerCon, any sneaker events where I'm up walking around, 9 times out of 10 I'm going to have some boots on my feet. So shout out to Adidas for coming through one time for the one time. Okay, so we got both human race, and now we about to try them on and do the on foot portion. What I want y'all to do is comment down below and let me know which one are you feeling the most. Do you like the triple black 0 to 60, or are you rocking with the triple black human race NMD? Let's get it. Alright guys, we concluded the end of the video. Please make sure y'all tell me which one you like more between the human race NMD and last but not least the triple black 0 to 60. I'm super thankful for Adidas. Thank y'all so much for sending out this package, man. The 0 to 60 definitely caught me off guard. I did not know that this one was going to be in a package, and I'm just super excited to see new innovative silhouettes coming from Adidas. Subscribe to the channel if you already haven't, guys, and I will see y'all in the next one. It is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really put in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.